How to cancel an order in Shopee in 2023. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cancel an order in Shopee in 2023. First of all, open up the Shopee app. Once you get into its app, click on your profile icon from the top right corner. Now click on the My Purchase button from the dashboard. Then from here, you can see all of your orders. Now, you can go to the To Ship page and you can find the orders which are about to be delivered. Then, tap on your order and click to cancel your order from here. Then, you can see your canceled order under canceled options. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.